So the two sodas we're going to be using for this experiment is Coke and Fanta. So right now, yeah, the image is Coke, but we're going to be using Mentos and putting them in each of the sodas and see which one's the most reactive. Okay, so here I have my Mentos to put in the soda. So, hold on. Now, here the way to make it work properly is you have to put one in and put the rest in quickly and then go behind. So, hold on. Okay, so now now the action camera there is recording this. So now we'll put one and then the rest in quick. Oh my god. So that's how it works, guys. Oh, looks like we have some Mentos that came out as well. Oh ho ho. It looks like lava. Oh my god. So the same thing kind of happens also if you shake a soda. So that's the Fanta. Ooh, so here are the results after the Fanta. Seriously, it looks like lava. Oh no, and like the Mentos are like people on there, I guess. So yeah, those are the results after using the Fanta. Okay guys, so now we're going to start with the Coke. And yeah, so here's again the result from last time. That's all the Fanta there. So let's see what happens with the Coke. So let's turn the action camera on for a minute. Hold on. So now I'm going to be putting this in. Oh my god. So that's what happened, guys. Take a picture. So mix a little bit over there. So if you look in here. So it's still going. Okay. So it's still going here, I guess. Let's see. So yeah, that's about it for the Coke. So here are the results after this. It's basically the same thing as the Fanta, except it's now black.